Sure, and you never
Kealohi.
did. You did?
I'm sorry.
Oh, we're vlogging.
Audrey.
I almost said it.
Sadie.
Oh my god.
What are you playing?
Remy and
This is my favorite
Selena.
game.
okay.
And me.
Is this a good shot?
Yeah, I know that.
So currently we are wearing our green jerseys and we're taking lovely photos. We all did our makeup and we're slaying so hard. Yeah.
Just circle Remy.
No, I can't.
It's a circle.
Where are you going?
I can't see this, guys.
Oh my god!
That's why we have the emergency contacts.
Yeah. Love that. Oh
my god.
I didn't think it would stop. Just like sit on there.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. I got this all in my leggings from
What is
practice.
happening behind?
What's that, Remy? What happened yesterday from practice? Oh, I love that. Thank you.
Look at that view! Go.
Wowza.
Ow, I just stepped in a rock.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute they are. Sponsor, Takis. No.
Oh. I like, don't even, I need to cover my legs from the mosquitoes.
I have my in the mirror.
Oh, is it recording now?
Yeah, if it says record.
Oh,
It's this button up here.
Okay.
Yes, get up close and personal.
Slaying, girl boss, queens. So now we're going to take photos on the beach. And we're all eaten by the mosquitoes.
Is that a pickle? Is that sea pickle?
Yeah. Ew. Ew. That's a freaking giant crab.
Where?
Right there. That looks like poop.
Look at this view.
We just took photos at this little beach thing and now we're going to LAC and we did our white jerseys because, you know, and we'll take photos of our black jerseys and the sweatsuit and backpacks.
We're going into Island Snow. What's the car?
What are you gonna eat?
I don't know. Green tea.
I'm gonna get a large because it's $6 and I have $11. We're gonna do mango and lime.
Okay, Sadie, what are you getting?
I'm getting banana,
Spit out.
banana, matcha, and lychee.
wrong thing.
Cakey with lychee and sake pata.
While he's taking pictures, and I'm vlogging, and they're eating
And then
because they're hungry. We haven't eaten all day.
so now we're going to LAC Beach, our last destination. But now we're all cramming in the car. Again, Sadie, move over. Just kidding, I love you, I'm not being rude.
That's the way for Cece.
I love that. Oh,
Look at
I
us.
was supposed to her off too. Oh, that's cute.
We've got, and then we've got
Now we're going to Lani Beach. I know. There's Selena. She just peed. Let's go.
Got you. We're at the beach now. We're taking more photos. Yeah.
This is our last location.
Last location.
Look at Coach Corey. Yes! Glowing.
We're trying to figure out a way to fit the bag.
Okay, get ready to take it.
So.
We're done.
We're done!
Can we do